मैंने चारों का कर दिया।
Hello and good morning, everybody.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are
Good
you
morning.
guys?
Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, I show you something.
Yes.
बस मुनीर एक चीज सीख ली सबको बता रहा है.
Let him show now. I want to see.
Wait, huh?
Yeah. Come on, Munir, anytime now. Oh yeah. What's this?
Ma'am, this is called Scratchy.
That's scratchy. Scratch.
Okay.
We learned this before. We learned this last class only in ICT period.
Wow. You guys had ICT before this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Okay.
चलो, get it.
Cool, Munir. हाँ, हो गया अभी. चलो. Okay. Now, so this is your life skill class, just so you know, reminding you guys. And we'll do something.
Ma'am, life skill is a free period, right?
Reference of fever? Who said
Yeah.
that? Really? Okay.
I.
Alright. Then let's make this free period count. Okay. Now, help me out. Help me out in this situation. Okay, I have a situation and just help me out with that. Me and my friend were out in the mall. All right, having a fun time, chilling around, and it was time for prayer. Okay, it was time for us to pray, and so we went. We did our wudu and everything that we need to do before prayers. So we got ready for prayer. But then after that, we didn't know. I mean, we didn't know which direction to face. I mean, we know we have to face west, but in the mall, we did not realize where is the west. Okay, so what could we have done? Like,
Use
what did we
There
do?
is an app also, and
It's an
then if
app on
you
your phone.
What did we do,
and
Devana?
ma'am,
And
Okay.
ma'am, you
ma'am,
can face
if you-
anywhere if you don't know. You
Yes,
won't get
ma'am.
If you
banana
don't
for
know, you
that,
can
ma'am.
face anywhere. Okay,
But ma'am,
that's
you can
lovely. I
use
didn't know
app
that.
also. It shows where the Qibla is. There is
Ma'am,
an
you
app
can look
also.
at the
I could
sun.
use.
Ma'am, you
Okay,
can look
and
at
how
the sun.
मॉल के
I
अंदर कौन
can
सा
look
सन
at
दिखता
the
है?
sun.
Yes, best में sunset होता है.
She meant मॉल के बाहर जाओ, सन को देखो, फिर मॉल के अंदर आके नमाज पढ़ो.
तो मॉल के बाहर ही नमाज नहीं पढ़ लेने का?
Exactly. Okay, Farhana, think a little. All right. Fine. I would use an app. I would use Compass. Safia said I would use a compass. Excellent. So yes, we used a compass, and then we saw what does
Ma'am, that
compass
app
do?
is also same thing only. App
Yeah,
like compass here.
obviously the app will also make use of a compass only.
Can
They'll
use
show you
any
where
app for that.
Yes, any app. Okay. All right. Now you guys tell me, what does the compass do?
Ma'am, it shows directions, ma'am.
Ma'am,
It
what did you
shows
ask?
directions. What does the compass do?
Ma'am, it shows a direction where
It
to
shows
go.
directions, right? Sophia was right. Okay, it shows direction. Now, grab a notebook. Just grab a notebook and a pencil. You know the cardinal points on a compass? Yeah, Monique, why did he shift like that and then he come back again?
Yes, ma'am, I
All
grabbed
right.
one.
Do you know the cardinal points on a compass?
Ma'am, cardinal point means
Ca- exactly. So cardinal points are the directions. We call them as the cardinal points. Okay. So how many cardinal points do you think a compass has?
4.
4. Very good.
Four.
Go ahead.
Four. Four.
Go ahead. Draw the 4
Acha.
cardinal points and name it. Come on. Draw the 4 cardinal points and name it. And show it to me. Huh? Show your thing on the screen. I want to see.
Cardinal mean arrows, right?
Yeah.
In SDG section,
Any section. Except for math, business studies.
ma'am,
I mean, my sections you can do in any.
ma'am, my maths is over. Now use a
Lovely.
book to do maths.
Okay, there it is. Amina's cardinal, north, south, east, west. Perfect, Amina. Excellent. Yes.
I'm not good at drawing, but still it's fine.
Amina, go ahead and draw the other 4 cardinal points on the same compass that you're drawing.
Just 4?
Yeah. 8 cardinal points. Now make it a 8 cardinal point compass.
Then we put north.
What are the other 4 cardinal?
Acha, I know.
No, you mean the east west and then southeast
Yes, Abdullah. I mean
northwest?
that. Yeah.
and then northeast.
Correct.
Southwest, southeast, northwest, northeast. Ma'am, this is so confusing.
Really? Why? So this is the
Ma'am, look at my
4
line.
cardinal point that you made.
That is
Right?
that is-
North, south, west, east. Now make the other 4 cardinal points.
I made them.
Okay. And what would you name them?
Man, just because of this idiotic skill I can make.
Oh.
It doesn't stay still.
So now you have 8 cardinal points.
Ma'am, look.
Everybody. Show me.
I will say like this.
Wait.
Yes. Good, Munib.
Look at this video.
Now, Munib, make it a 16 cardinal point compass.
That's not possible, ma'am. How is it 16?
मैम कुछ भी मैम
I'm
How
16
in the world is it 16 cardinal points?
बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है.
वो जा-
मैम कम से कम नाम तो दे दो मैम.
Acha. I'll give you a name. Wait.
Ma'am, I will draw ma'am, but you have to give names first.
Take. North, northeast, north, west, north.
Ma'am, are we making a Great Britain flag? It just looks like that. If we are making a Great
This
Britain
is your
flag with lots
16
of-
cardinal points.
North.
Go ahead.
so ma'am we have
So
to make these little ones also that NWN
Yes. So you see, it's very easy to remember. When you're on the east, If it is the northern side, you have to put E-N-E. East,
I'll
not
have to
east.
draw again ना पूरा खचर
No, no,
पिचर
no,
हो
no,
जाएगा.
no. In that only. In that
मतलब it
only.
will be पूरा खचर पिचर हो जाएगा.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
And here goes south.
So if you are at east and it's northern side, you'll put E-N-E. East, northeast. And if it's in the southern side, east, southeast. Okay? Then come to the west.
Ma'am.
Sophia, you drew only 4 cardinal points.
Ah, that's what. This
We are on 16 now. Yes, go ahead. Yeah.
But how do I draw more?
Yes,
Both
yes,
sides.
Abdullah. Oh my God, that's amazing. So, Abdullah, you know which cardinal point you are at right now. You are south, southwest, this point. Right here. Excellent.
Ma'am,
Excellent.
this just looks like as if I'm drawing.
Ma'am, I'm not. Ma'am, this is very hard. Ma'am.
And that is what I'm telling you. You listen to me first. Don't think by yourself that it's very difficult. Listen to me. Hear me out. It will be easy. Okay. Just focus on the 4 cardinal points, the main cardinal points that you had written. Okay. Which point are you on, Muni? Muni, which out of the 4 main cardinal points, out of the main 4 cardinal points, which point would you like to take? I am making it easy for you. You're racking your head.
Ma'am, मैं बस समझ कर कर रहा हूँ.
Ma'am, can I pick one?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'll pick south.
South? All right. Now, when I'm talking about south, remember the same formula will not apply for north. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
this is the south. Yes.
Is it fun?
Good work. Yes. Good work, Safia. All right. Now, this is the southern cardinal point that we have right here. Yes, Amina? Okay. Now, when you are at the eastern side, you have to see, you will get southeast. Okay, so between south and southeast, so one S from here and southeast ka SE from here will give you this cardinal point, south southeast.
SSE.
Yes, got it.
That's why I
Oh,
drew.
that's
And
simple,
then
ma'am.
yes, it's very simple. And from here southwest you take, and you take this S over here, and southwest ka SW from here, you get this cardinal point called south southwest.
South. South. Ma'am.
Yeah.
So in the middle, I draw an arrow and write south southwest.
Yes.
So how do I write? So in the middle, over here, I write south east.
Show me a book.
Over here,
I can't see. I can't see for nuts. Yes, yes. In the middle of southwest and south, you will draw an arrow and you will write
and
south
southwest. Acha. So we
Yeah.
draw in the southwest. Acha. And
In between south and southwest. Who's getting confused?
and this
Anybody?
looks like as if I'm drawing a British flag.
Very good.
We put here
Thing that you are drawing on.
Yes.
Amina, did you understand?
west, west, and southwest.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Yeah. Farhana, pick another direction.
South, south.
One main cardinal point.
West.
West. Okay. Now this is your west, right? The northern part of northwest and the southern part
Ma'am, you
is
just combine it.
southwest. Yes, you just combine it. Western side of northwest and western side of southwest
How do I draw?
gives you west northwest and west southwest.
Ma'am, now how do I draw in southwest like this?
Did you understand, Farhana?
Ma'am, how do I draw?
So west is the main cardinal point that we are considering, be it north or south.
Acha, now how do I draw?
Okay, you just have to put that.
Between southwest and west.
Yeah?
How do I draw between southwest
1 minute.
the line?
Southwest and
Look, ma'am, west is this side and the southwest is this side.
I can't see.
How should I show, ma'am?
Bring it closer to the camera.
Now,
Yes. So south and southwest. Yes, make a
Right,
point in between.
this
Yeah?
like this.
How you will draw arrow down, right?
No, man, like this.
Like that, right?
And I write in that side. Then I'll not have space to write, right?
You just write the initials, right?
Ma'am, see, I have done, ma'am.
So many.
What do I write? South.
South, southeast, south, southwest, west, south. Right, Munib. Got it.
And now what do I write? South.
Correct. M&M, show me your work.
South. No, I write south.
Wow, lovely. Okay, good. I can't see for that, but okay, fine.
Man, now what should
So
I
how many cardinal points did we do?
West.
How many cardinal points did we cover so far?
West.
16. 16.
Man, west, south,
16,
west.
right? Do you think it is possible to go beyond these cardinal points? Would there be more?
नहीं
cardinal
मैम बस
It is possible, but we will not do, ma'am. It is possible, but we will not do.
It's possible. No, I'm not. So my question was, is it possible? I'm not asking you to do it.
yes
I did not say we will do more cardinal points. It's possible? Yes.
Yes.
How many cardinal points do you think are possible to fit in the compass? More.
North.
So from a 4 cardinal point, we went to 8. From 8, we went to 16. And from 16, how many more do you think?
124 से भी ऊपर जा सकता है.
124, 360? No.
Ma'am, infinity. 124 को 124 से add करना, and then that says that, then that says that. It will come, ma'am.
Let's just stick to 32 cardinal points.
Man, wait.
So this is what a 32 cardinal points compass looks like. Okay, now I'm not trying to scare you off.
ma'am what will the be like this is B what will it
B
become
is by. B is by. Okay, so I'll tell you. This is north by east. Okay, this is northeast by north and northeast by east. That's how you read it. Okay, so the alphabet B, it denotes by. All right. Now so this is what the compass does. And you said it shows direction. What other things do you think shows us direction?
Maps.
Yeah? Maps, very good. Yes. Maps show us direction. Excellent point. Okay. And what do we call people who make the map? Anybody? Harry Potter? People who make maps are called Harry Potter.
No, man.
No? All right. So people who make maps, we call them as cartographer. All right. The word cartography is basically a French word. The word cato means to map. Okay, it means map. In French, it means map, and graphy means writing. So map writing. All right. And people in the olden times used to make handwritten maps were made earlier. And keeping in mind the location, the measurement, the extent, all right, all these things were kept in mind. And now we have advanced in technology, and what do we have right now? Which is the map we all use in today's time?
Google
Google
Maps.
Map.
Google Maps.
Maps.
Perfect,
Google Maps.
excellent. So it has become digitalized, all right? So do you think cartographers are out of business now that the digital map is out?
No, man.
Yes. No? Why, Sophia? Why do you think no? They are still in business.
Because
Why do you
ma'am,
think?
the Google, they can use these maps in Google also, right?
Right. In order to design the Google Maps as well, we still need cartographers. We still need that field of knowledge in order for us to go digitalized. All right. So they do still exist, and it is one of the occupations. So right now you see is the map of the world with major countries. All right. And the world, the Earth. How many of you all know what are latitudes? Someone.
Me, ma'am.
Yes, Marie. What is latitude?
Hmm.
Or what are
Latitude
latitudes?
are the lines which are like sleeping line, but they are like this
Right.
around the
Okay.
earth.
So they form a circle around the
Yes, ma'am.
earth, right?
Yes.
And they are sleeping lines. All right.
Yes.
So these sleeping lines
Ma'am,
that
pure
we
din
find
separate hai.
on the earth, yes. These sleeping lines that we find on earth, they are imaginary lines. Okay. Earth
They
doesn't
are not
literally
real
have
lines.
these. Yes.
Ma'am,
Earth doesn't have these little lines. Yes, Mani. Go ahead. Go ahead.
ma'am, they are there because for knowing the location of any place.
Okay, now this is where Munib is a little wrong. All right, latitudes do not show the location of the place. Latitudes show the heat zones of the earth. Okay, they show the temperature of certain places.
So, ma'am,
That is what
longitude shows the
And
latitudes
we
location.
show.
use latitude in
Yes,
seeing the temperature very hot and very cold.
right, right. So, which is the main latitudinal line, as you may call it, at 0
Antarctica.
degrees?
Antarctica.
At 0 degrees, it divides the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere.
Equator.
Equator, okay, equator is the main latitudinal line, okay, that this at 0
And
degrees,
that's actually not a line, that's an imaginary line.
it's an imaginary line. Yes, even if I add the word imaginary in front of it, it still remains line, right?
No, ma'am.
No, then what does it
Memory
become?
means thinking.
A
It
segment?
becomes imaginary, right?
Creativity.
Creativity, okay, definitely. All right, and these latitudes determine the temperature of various spaces. All right, now Mudaffir will tell me the heat zones of earth.
What does a heat zone mean?
He'll tell you.
I remember something that Cancer,
Tropic of
Right, Tropic of
Ma'am, I
Cancer.
know.
And
Tropic of
Ma'am,
Cancer,
and Tropic of Capricorn.
perfect. Then
then
Ma'am, artist.
heat zones, Mudabbir. So the region near equator, what do we call it?
Yes.
Equatorial
What
region.
did you say?
Equatorial region, right, Mazam, to the rescue. Okay. And the region that we find near the tropics, what do we call it? Which zone?
tropical region.
Tropical
So
region.
the region that we find near the equator, we call it as torrid region. Torrid means extremely dry and hot. Okay, torrid.
I never
And
thought that it
near the temperature, near the tropics, what do we call it?
Sorry.
Which zone?
Tropical.
Tropical zone.
Yeah. I guess. Not sure. So are you googling it out and see?
No, I don't need Google for this.
You're acting as if you are watching.
Oh, I'm typing. This is called the torrid zone.
And there are two
Then
stories.
over here you have the temperate zone with the tropical climate.
Learned this in the last bit of this class.
Oh God, Sophia. And this we call it as the frigid zone. Also the frozen zone. North and south both.
Oh no.
Okay. So what does latitude help us with? Now who will tell me? What does latitude determine?
Zones, the different zones.
There's just
Zones, the different zones, the temperature zones. Okay. the climate zones or the temperature zones, the heat zones as we call it. All right. So the torrid zone, the areas that fall in the torrid zone will be extremely hot. The areas that fall in the temperate zone will be
normal
humid. And areas that fall in frigid zone will be
extremely
extremely
cold.
cold. Perfect. Okay. This is what the latitudes do. All right. How about you draw a circle
Not Earth.
and mark the important latitude. Just draw a line, steeping line, indicating equator at 0 degrees.
Ma'am, where?
Circle, draw a circle.
I'll draw it in the next page.
Okay.
The eraser. And
Do not tell ma'am.
रिफ्लेक्ट होकर दिखता है सबको थोड़ी बना
Ma'am, what if the circle is not perfect? That's fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
Come on, circle. You need to be
ये देख मैंने कितना क्लियर में अभी बोलना नहीं क्लियर नहीं है ज्यादा ये और उसमें पूरा लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है
Anybody is unmute.
Why you have to open your Oh God, it was lovely hearing you two talk. I hardly get to hear your voice. Munib is such a party bastard. Okay, guys. That it is crazy.
What? It is not good to gossip
Only on
about
the fun.
people.
We were not gossiping. Nobody was gossiping at all.
It is wrong to spy on them also.
No
Who was
spy.
spying? What nonsense. We
Munib
were
is
right in front of them. Why would
Ma'am,
we
see this
spy?
Abdullah, ma'am. It is he is coming with name of Sakleen and ma'am messaging where is Abdullah Saqib.
Ignore now. What do you want to do?
Ma'am, see now, ma'am.
Lovely, lovely. Yes, Abdullah and Sakleen, go ahead. Do whatever you want to do.
Ma'am, in earlier wars, they used to spy the people, they used to spy at the enemies. So it's not that they are not
Really?
that time.
All right. Have you done this?
Hey, ma'am, every
The
day.
latitude?
people do.
Yes.
All the soldiers.
Now I'll move ahead. Which is the other imaginary line that
no,
you
ma'am,
know?
I didn't finish
Prime meridian.
drawing it. I only finished
Prime
just the
meridian?
short.
Yes, ma'am. It
Okay.
is the main longitude.
Main longitude, right? So imaginary lines that come from North Pole to South Pole and form a great circle, we call them as prime meridian. Longitudes, okay?
Ma'am,
And the
where should I
important
write
longitude
longitude?
at 0 degree that we have is a prime meridian. And right opposite the 0 degree longitude, you have the 180 degree longitude. All right. This side, the right hand side goes towards the east, and the left hand side goes towards the west.
Ma'am, we
Why should
have
they
to
written
draw
here?
all the zones also. Frigid
No, no, no,
zone.
no.
Only equator, no?
You just had to mark equator, and now you will
Longitude.
on the
Ma'am,
same
this will to
on the
become
same
like
diagram.
a compass only, ma'am.
On the same diagram, you will just make a standing line, all right, indicating 0 degree for prime meridian. Name that line as prime meridian.
Ma'am, but it will become like compass only.
So you already have a sleeping line on the diagram, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you named it equator at 0 degree, all right? Now you will have a standing line on the same diagram at 0 degrees named as prime meridian.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
did we have to draw the zones also?
Ma'am, prime meridian on which degree?
No, it was just for your information that you should know what importance do latitudes carry. All right, latitudes show the temperature of different zones
And
and
longitude show the time.
time. Very good. We calculate time, international time. You guys use Android phones, right? Yes. Now,
Not me.
for setting the time, have you guys come across GMT? Something called as GMT?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
What do you think GMT stands for?
Mm,
Google.
global.
Global something time. It's global something time.
No.
Global meridian.
What does?
Global meeting time.
No.
Global meridian time.
Global melting time.
No. Melting climate change already.
Global meeting time.
No.
Global.
Time is correct.
Global main time.
Huh?
Global main
Global
time.
meeting time.
No. Okay, I'll tell you. Now listen to me.
Global motor time.
Good guesses.
Global motive
Global
time.
motor time? No. Mota chota no time. Okay.
Motive.
Now listen to me. Good guess. Good guess. All right. GMT stands for Greenwich Mean Time. All right.
Greenwich.
Ma'am, time
The
was
place-
correct at least. Ma'am, time was correct.
Yeah, time was correct. Like I said,
We are
time
correct.
was correct. Only the G and M was not right. But good guesses. Good guesses. Now, the G that
Greenwich?
stands in GMT is for Greenwich. Greenwich is a place from where the prime meridian passes.
Meridian. Ma'am, they have
It's
drawn
in
also,
London.
no, on the road.
Greenwich is a place, yes. Greenwich is a place in London, all right, through which the 0 degree prime meridian passes, all right, and that is for the G. Now, mean time is the calculation that we calculate, all right. We find out the mean.
I
It has
share the world map.
4 minutes. There is a difference.
4
So
degree.
between 0 degree, if you go from 0 degree to 1 degree longitude, there is a difference of 4
I will
minutes.
die.
All right.
Ma'am,
you will
4
not
minutes?
die. There is a difference of 4 minutes. All right. Now, for
Ma'am,
example,
just
if
4
at
minutes?
0 degree,
Then we will reach also in 4 minutes only, no?
now for example, at 0 degree, if it is 12 noon, how much time will it be at 1 degree east?
12:04.
12:04.
4 minutes.
11:56.
11:56. Very good, Munir. And if I have to go from 0 degree, if I have to go west, see, this is the
12:04.
reason I don't teach maths.
12:04.
Now suppose
12:04.
this is 1 degree, okay? Now the difference between two lines of longitude is 4 minutes, okay? So from 0 degree, if I have to go west, and if it is 12 noon over here, what will be the time at 1 degree longitude?
11:56.
11:56.
Hey, west, baba.
12:04.
So, ma'am, 12:04.
12:04.
So, ma'am, you are saying that
Only you and Safia are getting it. Others are just sitting and watching. What are these numbers and what are they for? Yes?
Yes.
Right. Okay, I get it. All right. Latitude is for temperature.
Temperature and longitude is
And
for
your
time.
network is low.
Time. Itna clear hua? Yes, everybody?
Yes.
My your network bandwidth is low.
Mine?
Yeah. It's
Don't put it on speakers, you don't put it on gallery.
I fear
Alright.
Sony's network bandwidth is low.
Very short.
Oh wow, ma'am, you make so perfect circle.
Koi.
Safia!
What? I did Paris.
Too innocent, Safia. You're too innocent. Okay, this is 0 degree prime meridian.
1.
All right. Now, if I make another line of longitude, and I give it value of 1 degree, all right, and I know that the distance or the time taken between 0 degree to 1 degree is 4
Ma'am,
minutes.
first you say it is east or west.
Doesn't happen. East.
Okay.
Okay.
Then it will be
Why east
11:56.
or west matters, Munir? Why does east or west matter?
Ma'am, but if you go 11:56, that means that the time there is the before, like back. It is back.
Ma'am, what if you go 4 minutes on top?
Time is
Not east, not west.
Sorry?
What if you go on 4 minutes on top? Not east, not
Till
west.
the time, okay, let me tell you this.
In the
The
middle.
time that falls on that particular longitude will be the same throughout. Okay? It will be the
system of
same
Arctic
on,
Circle to Antarctic Circle.
yes. If it is 12 noon at 0 degrees, then all the places falling on
ma'am-
that longitude will experience the same time.
So ma'am, like London के नीचे ma'am, it is there are so many
Yes.
countries ma'am. so
Even
many
in
countries
Africa,
also.
it passes through South Africa also. Even in Africa, whatever time is Greenwich Mean Time, it will be the same time on the continent of Africa, on that place, on that longitude. All right.
Okay.
Now pay attention. You know the difference between the time difference between two longitudes? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 4 minutes. Okay. Now, when we go towards the east, we always add the time, and when we go towards the west, we always subtract the time.
Subtract the time.
All right. Now you guys tell me if at
Ma'am,
0
ulta na?
degree.
Ma'am, you go to east, you subtract the time, and when you go to west, it will increase the
From
time.
prime, yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, ulta कर दिया.
From prime meridian,
अभी कोई minus ही नहीं है.
yeah. From prime meridian, if you're going towards east, your time will get reduced, and if you're going towards the west, your time will get increased. All right. Now you guys tell me if it is 6 o'clock in the morning at 0 degree,
At
how
which
much?
country?
What will be the time at 1 degree east?
6.
No, ma'am. It will be 5:56.
Is he right?
Yes.
Stop it! We can already see you. Okay.
Who is that?
That's my sister. Oh my god, this is so funny. All right, let's come back. Yes, Munir.
Ma'am, 11:56. Sorry, 5:56. It will be the time. Ma'am.
5:56 will be the time. All right.
If you go to
Now,
east and if you go
if
to
we go west,
6:04.
it's 6:04. All right. Now let me give you another longitudinal value, and I don't want Munir to answer this. Suppose this is longitudinal value 5.
No, I tell you the secret how to find the time. 4 का table ना simple.
Thank you. And how did you know this, Munir?
You said no 4. Ma'am, we studied this in 6th grade also independently.
Thank you. Somebody remembers. All right. Yes. Tell me, if it is 6 o'clock, don't look at my father in the back. Look at the longitude on your screen. Okay? If it is 6 o'clock, at 0 degrees, what will be the time on 5 degrees longitude in the east?
$52, ma'am.
52?
I बोले 2 नहीं.
5 degree longitude.
20.
Put the calculation.
See.
Come on.
Ma'am, plus east side. West
Ma'am, I
side.
got
East
the answer,
side.
ma'am. Can I say?
Ma'am, the
No.
Sorry, ma'am, it is so easy. Ma'am.
I said no, Munir.
Well, then if nobody answered, then I will answer.
No, I want somebody to answer.
21.
4 minutes is the difference between two longitudes. From 0 degree, I'm taking you to 5 degree longitude, and I'm giving you the time at 0 degree, saying it be 6 o'clock.
Ma'am,
If it is
like
6
Oh,
o'clock at 0 degree longitude, we are minusing 20 minutes from 6.
21, ma'am.
How 20? 4 minutes into 5.
21.
Ma'am, it is not 20, ma'am.
It is 20. What else could
How,
it be?
ma'am? How?
You tell me.
I into 4 Munib. You only said that table. 4 table.
Ma'am, you will go down. You are going east
3
or west?
Munib. 5 4s are.
How to east to 20?
5 was a 20. I get
Ma'am, if
20
you go
minutes.
east, then it is 20. If you go west,
And
it
I'm
is 36.
minusing 20 minutes from 6 hours.
And if you go east,
How much
it
do
is
I get?
20.
From 6 hours minus 20 minutes.
40.
40.
540 na, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
So,
5:40. Okay, that's the time. Now Farhana, go west. Thank God, finally one child out of Mumbai. Now if we are going west, we are adding 20 minutes.
This side, ma'am. 620.
620.
Yeah. Yes, excellent. All right. Other four who are still lost.
Leave, ma'am.
Eminem, you got? Did you get?
I can't understand anything. No.
That's okay, Abdullah.
And I also didn't
And
understand.
I also didn't understand.
Lovely, lovely. 1, 2, 3. Ahmad, are you with us or no?
Yes.
Yes means you understood.
Yes means I'm here.
Okay, yes means I'm here. That means you did not understand. All right. Mosam, did you understand?
Ma'am, some part of it.
What did you understand, Mosam? Come on.
Ma'am, if we
Let's
go to
build
the
up
east from the prime meridian, every degree, 4 minutes is decrease. So,
Yes.
and if we go to the west, 4 minutes increase by every degree.
Perfect. Now, Mosam, give me a time on prime meridian. Prime meridian is at what degrees?
0 degree.
0 degree.
Ma'am, what about 5:30?
Sorry?
5:30.
We can still calculate it. What about
Ma'am, you said no give time, so I'm giving time.
Okay. 0 degree, suppose the time is 5:30. 5:30 what? AM or PM?
कुछ भी डाल दो.
AM.
AM. Okay.
In the morning.
All right. Now give me another longitudinal degree. Any degree, east, west. We'll calculate for both.
West. Ma'am, west.
Ma'am, west.
Give me the
West
degree.
will
Give me the
West,
longitudinal
west,
degree.
west, west.
8.
Ma'am, अच्छा ma'am, how many times you are asking? How many longitude?
Divane, longitudinal degree I'm asking.
Ma'am, west. West.
Okay, this is the 8 longitudinal degree. Now what we have to do, we have to find the time, right?
0.
Okay. Now I know for the fact
And this is east, that's west.
that 1 degree longitude,
Equals to 4 minutes.
yes, equals to
4
4
minutes.
minutes.
So, ma'am, this is east,
So,
right?
how much will be 8 degree of longitude?
64.
8 into 6. No.
Ma'am, 8 into
4.
Ma'am,
4
you're teaching
into 8 is
maths.
64. 4 into 8 is 64, ma'am.
Yes,
And
8 goes
32.
up
32.
64.
32 minutes. I get 32 minutes. All right. Now, if I'm in the west, I know I have to add 32 minutes to 5:30.
Only 8, 8, 6.
Okay, that will be 6:02. So, The time at 8 degrees is
8 minus 6.
hours 2 minutes.
6 2.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
if you increase 530 plus 32, it would be.
No, we have to decrease. Sorry, we have to minus 32. West we always minus.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, west we
ma'am, west we add.
no west we minus.
Acha.
West we minus.
West we minus, east we add. So I will minus 32 minutes from
Ma'am,
5:30.
answer is 4:58.
Yeah.
Time will be 4:58.
Got it.
And in east, it would be 6 2.
Yes,
Yes, in east it would be
6
6.
2. Ma'am, are we on the east side of?
We are on the eastern side. We are on the eastern side.
Ma'am, then we are ahead of prime meridian. No?
Yes, we are ahead of prime meridian. Now did you
Ma'am, but
understand? No?
what line passes through? What number
It's
of
okay.
line passes through Mumbai?
Yes. What is the longitudinal degree of Mumbai? It's 73 degrees. And the Indian Standard Time lies on 82.5 longitude.
Ma'am, there is a main. Ma'am, there is something Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer. It passes through India, no?
Yes, Tropic of Cancer passes through India. That's a latitude that passes through India from
Ma'am,
Gujarat
that
to
is the
Assam.
main. That is the main longitude of India, no? Ma'am, they say it like that. So, ma'am, what is the main longitude of India?
Longitude, the IST through which we calculate the longitudinal degree. Yeah, the IST line stands on 82.5 degrees east.
Of India,
Okay.
the main
Of
longitude.
India, yes, and it passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, like how we have prime meridian, similarly we have prime meridian, we call it as GMT. Okay, ever heard of IST, Indian Standard Time? Yes, so that is calculated from the longitudinal degree 82.5 degrees east. Okay, and we take it as the central time. So that was the longitude that was passing through India and was dividing India into two halves. All right, and therefore we call it as the IST time. We take it, but every place will lie on a different longitude. Okay, and from Greenwich Mean Time, from 0 degree to 82.5 degree east, we have 5 hours and 30 minutes of difference. So the total difference is 5 hours and 30 minutes. So whatever time on GMT, on prime meridian, you have to add 5 hours and 30 minutes to it. You will get the exact time that is in India. So if it is 11:46 right now, calculate 5 hours and 30 minutes back behind minus, and you will get the time at prime meridian.
Ma'am, 5 hours and how many minutes you told?
5 hours and 30 minutes.
Ma'am, 487 will be the. No, 487. Sorry.
So let me make it easy for you. If the time is 12 noon in India, calculate 5 hours and 30 minutes back.
And 6:30.
5, ma'am, it will
6:30
be.
6:30.
Ma'am, it will not be 6:30.
6:30 p.m. That's right. 6:30
Ma'am,
No,
p.m.
how?
or AM.
5:17, ma'am. If you calculate exact 5:30
5 hours and 30 minutes. You are
Yes.
calculating from noon.
From 5 noon, right?
Noon.
5 noon.
Ma'am, I'm
noon.
calculating this time.
12 noon in India. 5 noon.
Acha,
kya hota
okay.
hai?
Ma'am, now what is the
I think
time
it's
now? I'm
5 PM.
calculating that one. Ma'am, now
Then you will get, yes, Munib, then your answer is correct. And if you're calculating from noon, then it will be Amina's answer.
Ma'am, so it will be 5:18.
It should be
5:18, ma'am. 5:18.
7:30.
5:18 is
5:18
there
or
only.
7:30. Okay.
At 18.
All right. Okay. This picture.
Ma'am, I have a
Don't get
question.
too surprised. Okay, 1 minute. When the latitude and the longitude pass and they make a crisscross and they form a grid, okay, we call it as geographical grid, or we call it as geogrid. All right. These are all imaginary lines. Your Earth doesn't look like this.
Yes,
So do
ma'am.
not worry. And at the top you have
What
this North
topic
Pole,
is this in life skills?
and at south you have the, yes, it's around the globe. Okay. So you should know your equator, you should know your Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, North Pole and South Pole. Do you know these
Yes.
these points on the globe?
Yes.
Fine. Lovely.
Mama, degree नहीं पता.
Degree नहीं पता. How about you go and solve this?
Calculate the time at 130 degrees east when the
Just do the
time.
first
Ma'am,
one.
where
Let's
is
do
this
the first
Durban?
one.
Where is
Come
this
on.
Durban, ma'am?
Ma'am, if it is
Durban
east,
is
you
in
will
Australia.
add, no? Ma'am,
Durban
if
नहीं है
it is,
वो.
30 degree. When the
Durban.
if
time
it is east, you will add, no?
7 into
Yeah.
4. No, 13 to 4.
Hey, east you will minus. You know, the easy way to do is first you should just go and draw 0 degree Greenwich. फिर उसके नीचे time लिख देने का 7 a.m. Then draw another line. My line is so straight. Indicated as 30 degree east. 4 into 30.
0,
Ma'am, 120.
12, 120.
120. That makes how many hours?
Ma'am, you will have to
2 hours.
120. Ma'am,
2
it will
hours.
2 hours. So,
Add,
ma'am, it will
add
be
2 hours to
9 o'clock.
7.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
9.
9 o'clock. Perfect. So the time at 30 degree east Durban would be 9 o'clock. All right, there you are. Amina, did you get 9 o'clock?
Calculated time at
I didn't get it, ma'am.
You
Singapore.
didn't get it?
140.
Oh my god, 8 o'clock.
How? 120 minutes is 2 hours.
And then
120
you
divided
will-
by 60. Abdullah, what did you not get?
62 is 120.
Hey, Munib, don't get overexcited. Please.
What, ma'am? What over excited?
How did you get 8 o'clock? Amina,
Don't know, ma'am.
we are adding. We are in the east, so we are adding. Okay. The sun rises from the east, remember. And prime meridian is in the middle.
Ma'am,
So places that
416.
fall on the east will experience daytime earlier than that of prime meridian.
Ma'am, 416 is the
That means
answer.
that means the sun rises, it becomes morning in India first and it becomes morning in London later. Prime meridian is in London and we are in India. All right, so the sun rises from the east. So the time over here, prime
Ma'am,
meridian
I
is
have one
behind us.
question, ma'am.
Ma'am, 6
I have
Go
one
ahead.
question,
o'clock.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Tell me.
who invented these lines?
Who
Longitude.
invented these lines?
Huh?
The latitude and the longitude.
Yes. Or
Go
discovered
find
these
out.
lines.
And tell me also.
Is it Newton?
But you also
No,
don't
it's
know.
not Newton.
Ma'am, you are teaching and you don't know.
Okay.
Ma'am,
No,
let's
I
search it on
know the
Google,
name,
ma'am.
but I am not. See, I know the person, but I don't recollect his name right now.
Why, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Now
let's
that you
search it
question
on
me.
Google, ma'am. Now only.
So you search and you tell me. Let me know. Okay. It's 5:53, and I let you go. You have art. Enjoy. Forget about everything. Only remember the latitude, the longitude, equator, North Pole,
जो
and
आपने
South Pole.
सिखाया है बस ठीक है मैम.
Bye bye. Take care.
We do not leave whoever is the host. Or we always believe.
Boing.